Hello and welcome to Letsee Garage. In this episode 14 I will install the cam housings and other things. Enjoy. Come on. Camshaft is in the housing and the next thing to do is camshaft seal. I made this interesting tool out of the MDF wood. Oh. Make sure it's flushed with this surface. Cleaning the exhaust camshaft housing. Here, yes, it is here. The contact face is all cleaned up and I have all the shims in place, and also this is clean. I have the new seal. The followers are here also. So what I need is this one. Permabond A136. As you may see, it's looking good. I don't know, can you see it because my camera is really bad placed. So there is the new O-ring, all the shims and tappets. Come on. Cam covers. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Thanks, bye bye.